Yan guys, pasakay na tayo ng fast crab dito sa Santander papunta ng Dumaguete. Medyo maulan, no? Ayan, kung kita nyo doon sa video, doon sa bandang bundok maulan, pero sa mainland hindi naman. Guys, pagbaba natin dito sa Sibulan Port is magta-tricycle tayo papunta sa Dumaguete Port. Yun yung port na bumabiyahe pa Siquijor, which yung tricycle is 300 pesos.
Paripan nyo lang yan dahil tapos lipat kayo sa Montenegro alas 2.
So ayun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dumaguete Port. Nag-transfer tayo sa ibang shipping company kasi yung Ocean Jet canceled siya. Masyadong rough daw yung ocean. Mas mura to pero mas matagal yung biyahe natin.
Welcome here in Siquijor.
Hello po.
Ride motorbike rental, 350. We have bed, click, enemy inbox zero.
Here.
24 hours. Click namin, ma'am.
We can give you a discount if you rent more than a day.
Movement like a click.
Hi guys, nag-rent kami ng motor dito sa Siquijor pagdating namin dito sa port. Yung kinuha namin ito, Pasio, 500 a day for 2 days, so 1,000 namin siya ni-rent. And then, magbabayad kami ng tricycle ng 350 papunta sa hotel. guys, we just arrived here sa Fig Sunset Resort dito sa Siquijor. And for today, doon tayo sa pinakamalapit doon sa beach na room, which is 5,000 per night for 2 person. And tomorrow, lilipat tayo ng kabilang room. So ngayon lang, just for 1 night, doon tayo sa malapit sa beach. Ito yung pool area nila guys, nandun yung beach. Ang ganda ng location ng resort, kaya ito yung binook ko. And then ang ganda ng pool nila, 6 feet deep daw. And then ayun yung beach nandoon. But suddenly, medyo gloomy yung panahon. Hopefully, later or tomorrow, sana maging sunny para naman ma-enjoy natin yung biyahe natin dito sa Siquijor. Ayan. Yan yung restaurant nila. Ito yung pool area. And ayun yung beach nila. Medyo maalon ngayon. So gusto sana naming maligo and mag free dive dito sa malapit, pero sobrang lakas ng alon. Ayan, makikita nyo sa video. So hindi tayo pwede. Kakain muna tayo after nito and maliligo tayo sa pool. So ito yung room, magro-room tour tayo. Ayan. So dalawa lang kami, pero dalawa yung bed. And then meron silang TV dito. Merong refrigerator, mini fridge. Ayan. So may mga soft drinks din yan. Babayaran mo kung kukuha ka. And then may water heater, may baso, bottled water. Bottled water nasa picture. And then may coffee, snacks. Yung snacks babayaran, yung coffee included na. Tapos ayan, meron siyang air condition, may sofa, and eto yung cabinet. Hi guys. And ito yung CR nila. Ayan. Ayan. So ngayon lalabas muna tayo para kumain ng dinner lunch. I guess dinner lunch na. It's already 5:20 and ayan siya. So parang ito yung pinakamalapit na room actually sa beach. And yeah, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo at kakain na tayo. And guys, para makapaghintay tayo sa order natin na food talaga, mag-order tayo ng calamari for appetizer. So ito na yung food guys. Order lang kami ng kanin, kare-kare, dinakdakan, and fried chicken para makapag-dinner and later magpapamassage tayo and matutulog na tayo. Hey guys, good morning. We just woke up and nag-toothbrush lang kami and naghilamos. And we were hoping to go outside and like discover and travel through Siquijor. But the problem is that yung wave is so high and it's raining outside. I'll show you how it looks like. So you'll see the wind. It's so strong. And then ayan, lakas ng hangin, and we'll see the wave over there. Sobrang mataas yung alon. Sobrang mataas siya. Can't even swim because that wave is so high na kukunin ganyan palayo pag naligo ka. Ayan, so hopefully maya-maya medyo humina and we'll see kung pwede kahit na magpangligo lang kami ng pang travel dito para kahit mabasa kami at least malibot natin, ma-explore natin yung Siquijor even though it's raining. We'll see. Hopefully later. Hi. While we were preparing na magbihis to try and explore Siquijor through motorbike, even though it's raining, the waves are still there, but I'm hoping that the sun comes out while we're at the road. So we're going there to get some breakfast and alis na kami. See you later.
Ilan kayo sa room, sir? Family garden 1?
Dalawa po. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa cafe nila, which dito yung breakfast area. Meron sila doon sa beach side pero mas prefer namin kumain dito. So ito included na siya sa room namin, which it is a breakfast for two. Kakatapos lang natin mag-breakfast guys, and dito yan sa main road dito sa Fig Cafe. And ayan, babiyahe tayo ngayong umaga para puntahan natin yung mga tourist spot dito sa Siquijor. Hey guys! Medyo may ulan doon konti. Basta kami pero dito banda medyo ano lang. Ayan na naman! We're just 5 minutes away. Malapit na tayo. Ayan! Ayun guys, medyo masakit na yung ulan. Hey guys, biglang bumuhos yung ulan. So, we just stayed here for a few minutes. We'll stay here for a few minutes and hintayin natin medyo humina kasi there's a lot of trees over there and we just wanna avoid na mahulugan tayo ng branches ng tree. So, we'll stay here for a few minutes. Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Lassie Church dito sa Siquijor. Mabasa kami and hindi appropriate yung suot namin, so hindi na kami papasok, pero ayan siya. Gusto lang namin siya makita dito sa labas. Hi guys. So, right now I'm just checking the next stop. And guys, so nandito kami sa Cambugahay Falls and it's closed due to the weather. And sabi nila hopefully by tomorrow, if it's not raining, mag-open sila. So try natin bago tayo bumalik ng Cebu kung makakapunta tayo dito sa Cambugahay Falls. Galing kami doon sa isang falls kanina pero sarado din because of the weather as well. So yeah, babalik tayo ngayon. We're going back to Pitogo Cliff. I think yun, open siya since view lang naman yon. So, ayan. Maya-maya, sama ko kayo. Bye! So, we just arrived here, dito sa Old Balete 3. Galing kami kanina dito and close pa siya since naglilinis sila. And hopefully, i-allow tayong pumasok. Ang sabi nila kasi baka delikado dahil sa mga branches due to the weather. Pero hopefully, makapasok tayo.
they didn't allow us to enter kasi guys, delikado daw. Baka may mga mahulog na mga branches. So, dito na lang natin makikita yung Old Balete sa labas.
Ano natin? Open yata. So, try natin. Ay. Opo. Thank
Huwag
you.
tatakbo pag ano, may tatak na ano.
Sige po.
Opo, thank you po.
Tatalon lang po. Sorry, kasi sige. Ayun guys, so we paid 30 pesos each to enter. That's the entrance fee, and ito yung way papasok. They said na sobrang taas nung alon, so it's not allowed to jump. We were hoping to jump, but the waves are too high. I guess this is a 40 feet jump, and I was hoping to jump, but it's not allowed. But at least we can see the view. Wow, you can see the wave actually hitting the walls. See the wave there. Wow. That's the right side view. Let's take a picture here. Then here. Ayan, after natin doon sa Pitogo Cliff, we went back here sa room dito sa resort to take a bath, ligo sa pool, and then we're going to Hawaiian Resort later, which there's a picture spot there, and we'll take lunch as well. So it's still wavy, mataas yung waves pa rin. And right now, pasok muna ako para mag-charge and magbanlaw. Ayun guys, so try namin nagpunta dito sa Kawayan holiday resort kasi maganda yung view nila and yung gate. Kaso sobrang lakas ng hangin, hindi daw allowed, sarado sila. So babalik tayo, try natin sa Runic. Bye. Excuse me po. Food po, restaurant.
And nothing sorts inside. So these are the 3 packages na we offer po. But if you wanna go dine in lang, we have here our bistro pass. It's minimum spend of 500 per person po. But limited yung access niya. Which means yung designated area nyo lang is restaurant lang. So
Okay.
bawal po kayo pumasok sa beach club.
I see.
Yes po.
Okay.
But if you wanna go by the beach club, we still have here our club access. So it's 800 per person. 700 po niyan is consumable nyo po for food and drinks each.
I see.
Yes,
So 800 tapos yung 700 consumable siya.
Consumable
So
po,
yung
yes,
entrance
each.
fee is like 100.
Yes po.
Okay na, yun na lang. For 2.
So for now po, sir,
Good afternoon.
This is our available seat for self-access.
So guys, umorder lang kami ng lunch doon sa bar. Umorder si Relsi ng steak, rice, and then umorder ako ng pasta, and then umorder din siya ng watermelon smoothie. And ngayon, titignan lang natin yung view dito sa beach ng Runic.
Hey guys, so nag-stop by kami dito sa Watson to buy Cetaphil, facial wash, and ngayon magbabiyahe ulit papunta sa Boo Cafe para mag-cafe bago bumalik sa resort and mag-work na. See you there.
We just arrived here sa La Canopy. Galing kami dun sa Boo Cafe, but since nakita ko na mas maganda yung view dito sa La Canopy, dito na kami pumunta, and may minimum consumable siya para ma-access mo yung cafe doon sa taas. Ito yung toilet nila guys. There's no door. It's open. Ilalagay mo lang yung rope dito para to serve like a warning na it is occupied.
Yan, hey guys, we're here at the hotel. Gabi na. Walang internet. Patay sindi yung electricity. It's turning on and off. There's a constant power outage around the area. I mean here on the island, and the waves are so strong, sobrang taas ng waves ngayon, and we're hoping that tomorrow we will be able to transfer back sa Cebu City kasi sobrang lakas ng alon, malakas yung ulan, hindi rin kami makapag-ikot dito, so we're hoping tomorrow we're able to transfer back sa city. But yeah, I'm still waiting for an update from OceanJet. Yun yung binook namin na ticket na to see if all the trips are canceled same as today or ipo-push through nila. So hopefully tomorrow mas okay yung panahon kasi I just don't feel safe na ganito yung alon dito, ganyan kalakas yung ulan, and hindi rin ako makapag-work kasi walang electricity. It's turning on and off, and then there's no internet. Lahat ng PLDT wala dahil nga sa lakas ng ulan, dahil sa bagyo. So tomorrow tingnan natin, wait tayo ng update from OceanJet. Hey guys, so I just got back here sa hotel. Kaninang umaga, it's around 5:30. Nagpunta ako sa port ng Santander dito sa Siquijor, and I was waiting for like an hour. Actually 2 hours ako naghihintay doon sa port. And ang sabi nila is tentative pa yung biyahe pa Tagbilaran. Cause our shipping trip was from here to Siquijor, going to Tagbilaran, Bohol, going back to city, to Cebu. So we were like hoping like that would only take us 4 hours travel in total. But the problem is I was there until like 7:30. So that's 2 hours wait, and they told me that all the trips are canceled from OceanJet, which is the fastest shipping trip from here to Cebu. So the only trip available is yung Montenegro, which I will need to we will need to travel from here to Siquijor, going to Dumaguete, and then a tricycle from that port to the other port going to Oslob. So we will need to go to Oslob again, and then we will travel like 4 to 5 hours land from Oslob to Mactan. So ayan, ngayon bumalik muna ako dito sa resort to like pack up, eat some breakfast, and then go back to buy ticket because they took my number earlier. They said that the tickets are not available yet for 10 a.m. trip. So most likely if we travel 10 a.m., that will leave 10:30. They will get to Dumaguete around 1, and then 4 to 5 hours. So most likely around 6 or 7 p.m. we might be able to arrive at Cebu already. Ayan. Hassle lang pero there's no electricity, there's no internet. So we want to go back to Cebu to have internet and be able to work.
After few hours of waiting, pasakay na tayo ngayon ng Roro, pabalik ng Dumaguete so that we can transfer papunta sa Oslob naman. While waiting doon sa Roro, bago tayo pwedeng sumakay, bibili muna ako ng tubig dito as well as keychain kasi hindi kami nakabili sa labas, as well as ref magnet. So, bibili tayo dito sa mga store dito. So kung makikita nyo guys, nakatayo ako ngayon, wala nang available na seat. Sobrang dami ng gustong bumalik sa Dumaguete and wanna get out of Siquijor. So nakatayo lang ako ngayon until makarating tayo sa Dumaguete. I think 2-3 hours na biyahe. We just arrived dito sa Dumaguete Port, sumakay na agad tayo ng tricycle papunta sa kabilang port para makatransfer tayo kaagad sa Oslob naman. Kakanting lang natin dito sa port papunta ng Oslob and medyo nagutom tayo. So kakain tayo dito sa karinderya bago tayo sumakay ng Roro papunta ng Oslob. Finally guys, we're now here sa Oslob. So sumakay na tayo ng bus pabalik ng Cebu City, which I think because sa traffic aabot tayo ng 6 hours sa biyahe.
No! Okay na daw po. Yes po. Pa-upgrade ng room.
Upgrade na kayo. One bed pa din po.
Yes po, single bed.
So yung nabook nating room dito sa Belmont guys is street view for 3,500. So magbabayad ako ng additional 900 para ilipat tayo dun sa sea view nila.
So hey guys, kakadating lang namin dito sa room and magro-room tour tayo. First is the CR. Ayan. And then mayroon silang mirror dito. Safety deposit box, hair dryer, flat iron. And then, yan, madaming gamit dyan. I think
Queen size yata to, bed. Non-bottled water. Coffee, tea. And then, ito yung view sa labas. It's actually a ocean view, but since gabi na, hindi natin makita, but tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo yung view dito sa taas. There you go guys, yun yung Siquijor trip natin. Ngayon nandito tayo sa Cebu. So I will cut this video here, and sa part 3 ng video, yung vlog natin na to will be our Cebu City Tour. Thank you guys for watching.